What's up everyone? This is Carissa from Resume Genius. Today I'll be sharing 5 essential tips to help your LinkedIn profile stand out for all the right reasons. Tip number 1, have a professional headshot. Let's start with your profile picture. You can either hire a professional photographer or take a photo yourself. If you hire a photographer, look through their website or portfolio to see if you like their style. And if you have a specific look you're aiming for, show the photographer some examples for reference. But you can still take a great photo on your own. Just wear a professional looking shirt and find a spot with a neutral background, ideally somewhere close to a window for good natural lighting. Set a timer or ask a friend to take the picture for you. Tip number 2, create a headline. Your headline is like a mini elevator pitch, and it's one of the first things people see. In a recent interview with Bonnie Dilber, recruiting leader at Zapier, she pointed out that your headline is the one thing that's fully visible when you post and comment. If a recruiter posts that they have a job opening and you comment that you're interested, but your headline is blank, they won't know you have expertise in the area they're posting about. A specific headline tells recruiters what you do and makes it more likely that they'll check out your profile. Let's break it down with these formulas to make crafting your headline a breeze. For experienced professionals, try this formula. Your expertise, or your job title at X company, plus the value you bring or your unique selling proposition. Here's some examples. Digital marketing expert, driving ROI through data-driven campaigns. Or marketing manager at Resume Genius, evolving brand narratives for maximum impact. For fresh grads, list your recent major and what you're passionate about or interested in. Recent, your major, graduate, passionate about your specific area of interest or goal. For example, recent computer science graduate, passionate about user-centric software solutions. For students, mention what you're excited to explore and what your career goals are. Your major student, eager to explore this specific field or skill. Here's an example. Media communications major, eager to dive into graphic design and illustration. The goal is to be descriptive but concise. Think of what sets you apart and how you'd like to be approached. And here's a bonus tip. These headlines can act as keywords, making it easier for recruiters to find you when they're searching for potential candidates. Tip number 3, customize your LinkedIn URL. Instead of a jumble of numbers and letters, make it look clean by using only your first and last name. It's much more professional, especially if you're adding your LinkedIn URL on business cards or your resume. Tip number 4, include a mix of skills. According to LinkedIn, 45% of hiring managers use LinkedIn skills data to fill roles. While you can add up to 50 skills to your LinkedIn profile, you should prioritize quality over quantity. A good rule of thumb, list a balanced mix of technical, soft, and general skills. As mentioned in LinkedIn's official blog, users with at least 5 skills get 33 times more contact from recruiters. While being specific to your profession is key, don't forget the broader skills. This includes soft skills like teamwork or communication, general ones like project management, and technical skills specific to your field, like Python for coders or SEO for marketers. Tip number 5, ask for endorsements from your connections. Social currency is everything on LinkedIn, so don't be shy. Reach out to colleagues, classmates, or supervisors and ask them to endorse your skills so it gives you more credibility. And because helping someone out should be a two-way street, don't forget to endorse them back. And there you have it, 5 simple yet effective tips to elevate your LinkedIn profile. We'll be going over more LinkedIn tips in the future. Next time we'll show you how to fill out that pesky About section. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for more insights. Best of luck from the Resume Genius team, and we'll see you in the next video.